What if I told you China just built a ship so advanced that it can lift itself completely out of the ocean and transform into a floating island? At first glance, it looks like just another massive vessel, but hidden inside is technology that is changing how some of the world's largest structures are built. This ship can work in conditions that would stop most construction projects instantly. And by the end of this video, you'll discover why engineers around the world are calling it one of the most impressive machines ever built, and why its most incredible feature isn't what most people think. When most people think about giant ships, they imagine cargo vessels carrying thousands of containers across the ocean. Others think about aircraft carriers packed with military technology. But the ship you're looking at today is different. It wasn't built for war, and it wasn't built to transport goods. Instead, it was designed to solve one of the biggest engineering challenges of our time. A challenge so difficult that even a small mistake can cost millions of dollars. And honestly, once you see what this ship can do, you'll understand why it's making headlines across the world. But before we reveal its most shocking capability, you need to understand the enormous problem engineers were trying to solve. Out in the open ocean, a new generation of wind turbines is rising higher than ever before. These aren't the windmills people see from highways or farms. Some of these offshore giants stand as tall as a 60-story skyscraper. Their blades sweep across an area larger than 10 football fields. Just one turbine can generate enough electricity to power tens of thousands of homes. Sounds impressive, right? Well, building these giants on land is already difficult. Building them in the middle of a rough ocean is an entirely different beast. And that's exactly where this Chinese engineering giant enters the story, because normal ships simply couldn't get the job done. Meet the Ganghang Ping 5. At more than 135 meters long, this vessel is already massive by most standards. But its true power isn't hidden inside the hull. It's attached to the sides. Towering above the deck are 4 enormous steel legs, each stretching roughly 140 meters into the sky. The first time people see them, they usually assume they're cranes or support structures. But these giant legs serve a completely different purpose. And what happens when they touch the seafloor looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Because in just a few moments, this ship does something that almost no other vessel on Earth can do. Once the vessel reaches its construction site, those massive steel legs slowly descend toward the ocean floor. Then, powerful hydraulic systems begin lifting the entire ship upward. Not just part of it. The entire vessel rises above the water. As waves crash below, the ship stands completely clear of the ocean surface, like a giant artificial island. Suddenly, the movement caused by waves disappears. The rolling, pitching, and swaying that normally make precision construction nearly impossible are gone. It's one of those moments that makes you stop and say, wait, that's actually insane. But creating a stable platform was only the first problem. The next challenge was so unexpected that most people never even think about it. Believe it or not, one of the biggest threats to a multi-million-dollar installation project isn't a storm or a giant wave. It's sunlight. Yep, regular sunlight. As the sun heats different sections of steel throughout the day, the metal expands. That expansion might seem tiny, but when you're assembling structures hundreds of feet tall, even a shift of a few centimeters can throw everything out of alignment. Imagine trying to stack giant building blocks while the blocks themselves are slowly changing size. That's the level of precision engineers are dealing with out here. So how do engineers stop an entire project from failing because the sun heats one side of the structure more than the other? The answer is way more high-tech than you might expect. To solve this invisible problem, engineers turn to technology that looks like it belongs in a futuristic laboratory. Across the vessel, advanced laser alignment systems constantly monitor the position of critical components. These lasers can detect tiny movements that are almost impossible for the human eye to see. At the same time, powerful onboard computers analyze thousands of data points every second. If something begins to shift, corrections can be made before it becomes a serious problem. It's the kind of precision normally associated with space missions, not construction projects floating in the middle of the ocean. But even the most advanced lasers in the world can't stop what comes next, because nature always has the final test. Out at sea, weather can change without warning. Calm waters can transform into violent waves within hours. And when a super typhoon starts moving toward a construction site, billions of dollars of equipment can suddenly be at risk. Most vessels would simply leave the area and wait for the storm to pass. But the Ganghang Ping 5 was designed with these extreme conditions in mind. Its giant steel legs lift the vessel high above dangerous waves, reducing the impact of the ocean below. Suddenly, what would be a nightmare for ordinary ships becomes a challenge this engineering giant is built to face. And here's where things get even crazier, because the ship doesn't rely only on human operators to make these critical decisions. Out at sea, weather can change without warning. Calm waters can transform into violent waves within hours. And when a super typhoon starts moving toward a construction site, billions of dollars of equipment can suddenly be at risk. Most vessels would simply leave the area and wait for the storm to pass. But the Ganghang Ping 5 was designed with these extreme conditions in mind. Its giant steel legs lift the vessel high above dangerous waves, reducing the impact of the ocean below. Suddenly, what would be a nightmare for ordinary ships becomes a challenge this engineering giant is built to face. And here's where things get even crazier, because the ship doesn't rely only on human operators to make these critical decisions. That's a concern engineers took very seriously from day one. Instead of relying on open internet connections, many of the vessel's critical systems operate within highly protected closed-loop networks. In simple terms, they're isolated from outside access whenever possible. Multiple layers of security, backup controls, and redundant systems help ensure the vessel remains safe and operational. While online rumors often exaggerate the risks, the reality is that engineers spend years designing safeguards for situations most people never even think about. And speaking of rumors, some of the claims surrounding this ship are absolutely wild. Because according to some internet theories, this vessel is capable of things that sound more like science fiction than engineering. As the ship gained attention around the world, strange myths started spreading online. Some claimed these giant offshore projects could affect Earth's weather. Others suggested they might trigger earthquakes beneath the ocean floor. But the science tells a very different story. Engineers and researchers have repeatedly shown that these turbines and support systems operate within carefully studied limits. The real story isn't about secret conspiracies. It's about human innovation, problem solving, and building technology capable of tackling challenges once considered impossible. And honestly, that reality is far more impressive than any rumor. But here's the question nobody is asking. If engineers can already build ships that transform into floating islands, survive powerful storms, and use AI to perform precision construction in the middle of the ocean, what will the next generation of vessels be capable of? The Ganghang Ping 5 isn't just another ship. It's proof that engineering is entering a completely new era. From lifting itself above the ocean to installing some of the largest wind turbines ever built, this vessel is solving problems that seemed impossible just a few years ago. What makes it truly remarkable isn't its size or even its technology. It's what it represents. A future where machines become smarter, projects become bigger, and human innovation continues pushing the limits of what's possible. Because if this is what engineers can build today, imagine what we'll be seeing 10 years from now. Floating factories, fully autonomous construction fleets, entire offshore cities. the future might arrive much faster than most people expect. And now I want to hear from you. What's the most impressive piece of engineering you've ever seen? And do you think ships like this are giving us a glimpse of the future? Or is something even more revolutionary coming next? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible engineering stories, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's most unbelievable technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.